AI factories are highly interconnected systems. Models, agents, data pipelines, storage, networking, GPUs, and applications all depend on one another. When performance degrades, the symptom often appears in one place while the root cause exists somewhere entirely different. OpsRamp helps teams understand those relationships by bringing together telemetry from across the AI factory into a unified operational view. At the AI application layer, teams can understand overall activity across the environment, including token consumption, service utilization, and the applications driving the highest levels of demand. Operators can then evaluate the effectiveness of AI services themselves, examining risk, quality, efficiency, and performance metrics to better understand how models and agents are behaving. At the model level, teams gain deeper insight into latency, throughput, token utilization, and technologies such as KV cache, helping them understand not only whether a model is healthy, but whether it is operating efficiently. But AI performance is never just about the model. OpsRamp correlates model behavior directly to the infrastructure supporting it, connecting AI workloads to GPUs, servers, storage systems, and network resources in real time. That visibility extends to the network fabric itself. Teams can observe communication patterns between distributed AI resources, helping identify bottlenecks and performance constraints that would otherwise remain hidden. Interactive topology maps then bring the entire AI factory into view, revealing how applications, models, infrastructure components, alerts, logs, traces, and operational dependencies are connected. As environments become more sophisticated, operators can continue drilling into those relationships, following interactions between applications, agents, models, worker nodes, and supporting services while maintaining visibility into the broader system. At any point, teams can move seamlessly between application, platform, and infrastructure perspectives, including Kubernetes resources and the underlying systems supporting AI workloads. Because models often serve multiple applications simultaneously, OpsRamp also provides a model-centric view, allowing operators to understand how a single model is being consumed across the environment, the applications that depend on it, and the infrastructure resources supporting it. The result is a connected operational view of the AI factory, from applications to models, from GPUs to storage and networking, from Kubernetes services to physical infrastructure, from symptoms to root cause. Instead of forcing teams to assemble information from disconnected tools, OpsRamp helps organizations understand, optimize, and operate AI factories with greater visibility, faster resolution, and more confidence.